Yeah, we lifting trucks, twerking nuts. We boosting ego so you feel tough. It's not a game, shit is fun. Slanging tires, hear 'em hum. You need it leveled, you need it lifted. You need some drug stuff, so come and get it. So where you going and where you bring it? There's only one place, is what I'm saying.
Take 'em to the king. Take 'em to the king. Take 'em to the king. The off-road king. Take 'em to the king. Take 'em to the king. Take 'em to the king. The off-road king.
Now we coming in clutch like gorilla nuts in your truck in the front seat, bragging because they smooth to the touch. And if your truck is like a story, then we selling the book. Or have your tires looking fat, you'll have to call you Girth Brooks. If you coming off the loop, come on and tell us what you think. Or have your truck looking so good it'll make you wanna sing. And if you're trying to go next level, just say one thing.